Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT for coding. So first go to www.chatgpt.com and then you can just ask for it to code you something. So I'm just going to ask a simple code, write a Python code to get multiplication of any table that is entered by a user. So I'm just going to type that. So there you go, there it has provided a solution. So let's see. So there we have it. So let's just copy this code and then head on to online Python compiler to check if this code actually works or not. So here we're going to paste our code and hit run. So let's select a number 5. Alright, so it's just giving multiple by 10. So we can even troubleshoot our code. We can debug our code. So we'll just ask it why it doesn't work and we'll just give another instruction. We can just state our problem and it will try to fix it. Alright, so there we go. It has now printed a correct solution. So let's copy this code. Here we can see the copy option. You can just use that and copy this and run it. So there you go. It has now printed multiplication as well. So this is how you can use ChatGPT for coding and explore. And thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one.